guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be one of my shortest videos on my channel, especially dealing with hair. And today I have my oldest daughter. Her hair needs to be washed, needs to be retwist a little bit, and I'm going to do that. She just wants her hair in a simple bun, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve that simple hairstyle when I need to. And this is the shampoo that I'm going to be using. I went ahead and washed her hair off camera, and like I showed you guys in the last video with my baby girl's hair, I prefer to dry their hair with a shirt. It's a lot better. And this is what it looks like after I have finished washing and dried as much water as I can. And now I have to move on to the fun part, which is retwisting. I interlock both of their hairs, okay? Use a needle. One day I'm going to try to find the other interlock tool, but for right now, this is what I'm using. I don't have a problem. I take my time with it. I don't like tug and pull through their hair. I literally make sure the latch is closed and I take my time. So right here I'm showing that I am completely done. This is not a interlock tutorial, so that's why I just sped through that part. But we want to move on to how I achieve this bun. So before I do anything to her hair, I like to apply some castor oil into their hair, to the scalp especially. Their scalp dries out so easily throughout the week. So I used this bottle that has that easy application top, and I put it through every part that is there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put her hair up into a high ponytail. I have to have her head back like this to make sure every last one of the locks is straight. If not, it's going to hurt if I, tug and pull. So trying to get it up as high as I can. It doesn't matter what color rubber band I'm using to hold the ponytail because it will not show. I just open up the middle of her hair, the ponytail, like a flower, and I just start wrapping and tucking underneath. That's basically all I'm doing, is just tucking the locks around and forming that donut or bun, whatever you want to call it, but it literally looks like a donut. And yeah, so I'm making sure like all of the ends are not sticking out, making sure everything is tucked under there. I did not pull the ponytail too tight, so if you see like the back of her hair is still like it's not that smooth, that's because I don't like too much tension on their hair. So to make sure that it is secure, because this is late at night and she's about to go to sleep, I use a hairpin to secure some parts that I feel like needs to. And this is the end of the bun. So in the front, you can see I left the edges out purposely because she wanted the edges to be curled. And I'm going to use this, which is it's the thing that they use to do pipe cleaner curls. And I have not seen that before, go ahead and research that. I did do that in one of my videos. I'll link that below or put a card up top. But to get locks to curl really easy, nice and tight, this is the best thing that I've came across, and this is what I've always been using. So I just go ahead and twist that in. Like I said, this is at night, so she's gonna have to leave this in overnight to achieve that nice tight curl that's gonna last for a very long time. Making sure that the hair is damp. So like by the time I was done retwisting her hair, the front did kind of dry a little bit, so I did have to wet it a little bit off camera. And right here I'm just installing the pipe cleaner, or the frizzy sticks, or whatever they're actually called, frizzy sticks. But this is the next morning. Yeah, they're all like poking everywhere, but trust me, once I take it out, you will see the magic. And all you do is just slide it from the end out, and look how these curls look so pretty. So nice and pretty. So yep, I'm just going to go ahead and take all of them out. And this is the ending results, guys. This is how it looks. It's so nice and pretty. And she got her donut up top, or a bun, or whatever you want to call it. And she got a little bit of curls in the front of her bang. So, yep, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you will always be there when I upload another video. See you guys. Toodles.